Okay, hello everybody. My name is Hilda Araujo, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the vowel sound I, as in the word tie, tie. You can also hear this sound in words like child, high, kai, and high. We'll be using this special phonetic symbol I for this sound. Let's start with a simple experiment. Take a look at these two words, spa and spy. Pa, spy. They differ by their vowel sounds, the A in spa and the I in spy. Now let's see and compare what happens when you pronounce these words. A, as in spy. This first picture is the articulatory system when you pronounce the word spa, the A in spa. And the second picture is your articulatory system when you pronounce the word spy, spy. Do you see the difference in how the tongue and jaw move when you pronounce these two words? Okay, when you pronounce the A sound, your tongue and jaw move into one position. When you pronounce the I sound, they move from one position to another. A is a simple sound, so you pronounce only one sound. The I, however, is a diphthong. It means that it is made by merging two single sounds into one. To make the I diphthong correctly, you have to pronounce two sounds and make a smooth connection between them. Okay, you have to start by making the A sound. Okay, but let's see what are diphthongs. They are also called gliding vowels. It is a significant glide from one articulatory position to another. They have target configurations represented by two vowel symbols joined together. Okay, now let's see how to pronounce the I sound. Okay, you have to start with making the A sound. Open your mouth as wide as possible and allow them to rest in a neutral position. Then flatten your tongue and place it very low in your mouth. The tip of your thumb should be touching the back of your bottom front teeth. Next, you have to connect the A to the I to the E sound. Okay, the first sound in a diphthong is typically longer and louder. So make sure that you pronounce a full A and then connect it to the E. Okay, when you pronounce words with the I sound, try to avoid the most common pronunciation mistakes. Many non-native speakers reduce the E sound in the I. As a result, the whole sound gets distorted and may lead to misunderstanding. So please, remember, do not reduce the second sound in a diphthong. Even though the E is more relaxed and shorter, you need to pronounce it completely. So you have to pronounce the whole diphthong, the A, which is longer and louder, and the E, which is shorter and more relaxed. Okay, let's practice some words with the sound I. Iron, iron. Take some seconds to repeat the word. Iron. Idea, idea. I. Quiet, quiet. Fly, fly. Cry, cry. Kite,